Listen and circle.
Unit 12. At the lake. Page 37. Activity 2. Listen and circle. 1.
Look at the lemons.
2.
Look at the lake.
3.
Look at the leaf.
4.
Look at Lucy.